Today we're going to learn how to parallel park. It's actually very simple once you understand the basic steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Find a parking space where your car can clearly fit. Step 2. Stop parallel to the vehicle in front, keeping about half a meter of distance. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right and slowly begin reversing until you can clearly see both headlights of the car behind you in your left side mirror. Step 3. Straighten your wheels and continue backing up until the front corner of your car passes the rear bumper of the vehicle ahead. Step 4. Turn your wheels all the way to the left and keep reversing until your car lines up evenly with the vehicles already parked. Step 5. Straighten your wheels one more time and pull forward slightly. Congratulations, you have successfully completed a parallel parking maneuver. Practice this on empty roads a few times, and soon you'll be able to use parallel parking confidently in everyday situations. Subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of simplified animations, driving quizzes, and easy step-by-step lessons.